Making a piping bag. Cut out a piece of baking parchment 25 to 30 centimetres square. Fold it in half diagonally and then smooth sharply along the crease. Cut along the fold to create 2 equal triangles. Hold the centre of the long side with one finger, pick up the corner of the triangle and start rolling into a cone shape by placing this corner to the centre point of the triangle. Take the opposite corner of the paper triangle and fold it tightly over the rolled up cone. Holding the loose triangle ends, shuffle them back and forth to tighten up the cone. It's ready when you've got a neat, sharp tip. Tuck the loose triangle ends over neatly inside the bag. Then fold again 2 or 3 times to secure in place, and your piping bag is ready to use. We'll show you once more. Fold the triangle to make a cone shape. Shuffle your corners to make the perfect point and tuck the ends neatly in to secure. Now that you've got the hang of it, make a few and save them for later.